Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Please my people, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, kindly do go and subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. So I'm going to make another hairstyle for my princess. I'm going to make a new lovely hairstyle for her. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to use a Brazilian wool and a Kinky hair. Then this lovely two Brazilian wool and Kinky hair, I love it so much. So I'm going to use the Brazilian hair for the starting, then I use the Kinky hair for the ending. Then it's like the Kinky, I'm going to use it for the okuku. So this one is the Bob Marley, like Bob Marley hairstyle. So I'm going to use the Kinky hair for the ending. Okay, let me leave you guys to watch this video to the end. Please, if you are watching the video, do not forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video sharply. Okay guys, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, my people, I'm through with my lovely daughter hair. So here's the Kiki hair. Look at my baby. Please, if you see this video helpful to you, do not forget to like the video, and also subscribe and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, look at my daughter hair now. I love you so much. So if you have a baby hair that have short hair, go and try the hairstyle for her. You will love it. Not only plain Akara hair, I don't know what is called. So go and try this hairstyle for your baby. See you guys in my next video. Bye.